everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
You are going to love the 2019 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey, John.
Hey, Pete. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I got to go. I owe him a cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.